welcome to my 2019 BMX check. So on the front we've got a set of United BMX bars. I'm not sure of the diameters in all honesty because I just ride what I got. I've got a set of ODI long necks on the front. An Eclat stem top load, which is fucking sex. I've got a new set of United direct tires, which they're okay. And now on the front, for my front end, I've got a set of Colony forks and Darvo forks, I'd say. And then I've got some old rim that I laced to a demolition hub. And on my regular side, I've got a set of Eclat pegs. And on my opposite, I've got some Cinema pegs. So to the frame, we are running a Devon Smiley Fly Fugo frame. It's actually so good. By far the best frame I've ever owned, to be absolutely honest. Oh, I almost forgot. Sunday headset. Couple of silver valve caps if you ever got to kill a fucking werewolf, you know. And yeah, here's just my little tool bag when I'm out and about. I got a set of Colony 2-piece cranks with a sprocket with an inbuilt guard, which is a Colony Menace. That's just the best. Some Odyssey twisted pedals, Odyssey Bluebird chain, another Cinema peg, another Eclat peg on the back, demolition hub guard, to the back wheel. This thing is sex. It's a profile. I think it's an old school profile back up. Made it really quiet though. So yeah, that concludes my 2019 BMX check.